In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share N8n online using a local tunnel guide, helping you expose your workflows to the web easily and effectively. With these steps, you'll be able to make your workflows accessible online in just a few minutes, simplifying collaboration and connectivity. To begin this process, head over to the N8n platform. This is a powerful tool known for its capacity to automate workflows effortlessly across various services and applications. If you're new to N8n, think of it as your go-to automation platform that connects different apps, allowing them to interact seamlessly. Once you're on the N8n homepage, your next move is to click on Sign In. This will take you to the login screen, where you'll need to input your credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to sign up first. Signing in will give you access to your personal N8n dashboard, the central hub for all your automation tasks. After logging in, navigate straight to the N8n dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your active workflows, tasks, and any other ongoing processes. The dashboard is designed to help you manage everything from a single location, making it easier to track what's happening in your automated environments. Next, make your way to the Workflows section. Here, you'll find a list of all your existing workflows. This is a critical step because we need to identify which workflow you want to share online. Use this section as your workspace to fine-tune any settings or adjust the workflow before you make it public. Once you've selected the workflow you'd like to share, look for the three-dot icon. This is often located to the side of each workflow and acts as a menu for additional options. Clicking on this icon will present more choices that are not immediately visible on the main interface. In the resulting drop-down menu, the option you're interested in is Share. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of making your workflow publicly accessible through a local tunnel. This is a convenient way to give others access to your work without having to share your entire workspace or compromising your environment's security. Before you finalize sharing, ensure that you have properly configured any settings regarding permissions and access levels. This way, you control who can view or interact with your workflow, maintaining a balance between accessibility and security. And there you have it, a quick and concise guide to sharing your workflows online using N8n and local tunnels. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clearer and motivated you to take advantage of this powerful feature. By following these steps, collaborative automation with team members and stakeholders becomes seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to content.